In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out data enrichment in HubSpot. If you're looking to enhance the way you manage and understand your data, performing a data enrichment check can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right into the steps and see how we can achieve this efficiently. First things first, you'll want to head over to the user guide on HubSpot. This is your starting point and the best place to begin your journey into data enrichment. Opening the user guide will provide you with comprehensive information resources that can really help clarify any questions you might have as you go through the process. You can find this by navigating to the HubSpot platform and looking for the user guide section. Once you're there, your next move will be to click on the settings icon. This can usually be found in the top right-hand corner of your HubSpot dashboard. Clicking here will open up a variety of options related to your account management, and it's where you'll access more specific features within HubSpot. Now that you're in the settings, the next step is to locate and click on Data Enrichment. The Data Enrichment feature can provide deeper insights into your contacts with enriched data from a variety of sources. This is where you can start to really enhance the richness and usability of the data you already have. So find that link and give it a click. After you've entered the Data Enrichment area, it's time to click on Tools. This section will present you with different options for managing and enhancing your data, providing you with the means to use HubSpot's powerful capabilities to refine your workflows. Finally, within the Tools section, locate and click on Smart Properties. Smart Properties are fantastic because they allow you to use information that's automatically populated based on the fields you choose. It can automate significant aspects of your data management and is truly helpful in ensuring you're making the most of the enriched data in your workflows. By following these steps, you'll successfully navigate the HubSpot interface to access data enrichment functionalities, allowing you to take full advantage of the capabilities offered by the platform. Whether you're aiming to improve marketing efforts, streamline sales processes, or just better understand your customer base, leveraging data enrichment can provide you with deeper insights and more actionable information. Remember, the ability to harness data correctly can provide a competitive edge in today's data-driven market. So, by performing these steps, you're well on your way to optimizing your use of HubSpot and better managing your customer information. Thank you for joining us today, and see you next time for more insightful tips and guides.